Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. How are you? It's me Faruk Khan. You are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you from Do. They have two offer. So these two offer new just yesterday come in. So this one I'm going to show you how to do, because this one is 30 GB giving for 30 dirham only. So there is another one, it's 28 GB for 50 dirham. So I have two offer for you. So these two offer you how to active, so that is I'm going to show you. So let's start my video. Welcome back guys. So now I am in a mobile screen. Then you have to click on dial pad. After dial pad come in, then you have to dial *055# then call. Then you have to choose the first one, data. Then you have to choose number 2, full data offer. Then after that, here you can see that the first one is 28 GB for 50 dirham. So there is another one is 30 GB for 30 dirham. So which one you like, you can active, but for me I will choose for 30 GB for 30 dirham. This is the offer, the best offer for 30 GB for 30 dirham. So this one, if you are going to active, how you will do. So first one, example one, I will click if I want to the 28 GB, then send. Then here you can see you have 28 GB data for per day, 28 days. So this one not for 1 month, this is 28 days they will give you for 50 dirham. If you want to active this one, just dial 1 and then send. So they will send. If first you have to make sure that your mobile have balance, should be have balance, so it will be active automatically. So the other one, how it will do, I will show you. Again dial *055# go, and then choose same again 1, then choose number 2. Then here you have to choose the 30 GB for 30 dirham, example 1. Okay, then here you can see 30 GB per GB, 1 GB per day, 30 days. This is for full month. Okay, this one for full month only 30 dirham you have to pay. Then if you want to active, you have to just click on 1, accept, then just send. Okay, here you can see this is already they will send the message, but you make sure that your mobile have balance already for more than 30 dirham. So after you have 30 dirham, you can activate this one. But make sure this one for the Do Telecom or Do SIM card in UAE, and this one for Allo SIM card. If a normal SIM, it will be not, because this is for Allo SIM. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.